Welcome to a Traceable Products instructional video for the Traceable Excursion Track Thermometer. In this video, we will learn about display and error messages. Let's get started. If no buttons are pressed and your device reads LLLLL as shown here, let's try 3 remedies. The first remedy is to ensure that the probe is inserted correctly inside the probe jack located on the right. Ensure that the probe is fully inserted as shown here. If the LLLLL error goes away and temperature numbers begin to appear on your device, the problem has been fixed. If LLLLL remains, let's move on to the second remedy. If you only have one probe connected to your device, like I have here, we'll need to ensure that the probe switch on our device is set to read the correct probe. Currently, my device is set to probe 1. And it's working correctly because I have a probe connected to the probe 1 slot. If I move the probe switch to probe 2, my device will begin to read LLLLL as I don't have a second probe inserted into the probe 2 slot. If I move the probe switch back to probe 1, it will begin to work normally again as I do have a probe inside the probe 1 slot. Try this remedy and see if the LLLLL error goes away. If the error remains, let's try the third remedy. The third remedy is to ensure you have your probe in an environment inside the temperature range of your data logging thermometer. For this data logging thermometer, the temperature range is -50 to 70 degrees Celsius and -58 to 158 degrees Fahrenheit. If your probe is detecting a temperature above or below these temperature ranges, your device will display an LLLLL as it isn't capable of reading above or below these temperature ranges. Ensure that the temperature environment is in between these temperature ranges and see if the error goes away. If these 3 remedies don't remove the LLLLL error, unfortunately this means that your probe could be damaged.